This is Kagoro Junction along the Nnamdi Azikiwe Western Bypass in Kaduna State. The road is in a deplorable condition with some portions of it washed away by the rains. Residents say the 20-kilometer road which connects Zaria, Kano and other neighboring states has been abandoned by FEMA.
We have been suffering a lot on this road. We are the residents of this area. We know how motorists are suffering because as a result of this bad road, many cars are broken down.
The road is already decayed, and we know it's not the fault of this government because this government is new.
Now there's excitement from residents and commuters following the commencement of rehabilitation work on the road by the State Public Works Agency. According to the agency's general manager, over 100 roads in the state capital Zaria and Kafanchan will undergo similar repairs.
The reason why the state government come in because the road is immotorable, which is a federal road. And since the road has passed the state, so the state government decided that Kapwa, as a maintenance agency for all the state roads, that we should mobilize our equipment and our staff to come here and make sure we rectify the problems.
To ensure timely completion of the project, the excited youth in the area are rendering assistance to the state government officials.
The initial occupants of this community, we said we should also work hand in hand with them so that we'll also help them so that we'll achieve the goal because it's for our own good. It's not really for their own good, and we are very, very grateful.
With the official handover of the Nnamdi Azikiwe Western Bypass and Amadu Bello Road by the federal government to the Kaduna State government, residents hope that constant interventions such as this by Kapwa will keep the roads safe and durable.